Good day to all of you. Today we shall discuss on Model Question Paper 1-2 with effect from 2023-24 CBCS scheme, third semester BE degree examination of the subject Object Oriented Programming with Java with the subject code BCS306A. In that question number 4c, explain the use of this in Java with an example. It carries 6 marks. So next let us know what is this reference in Java. So in Java, this is a reference variable that refers to current object. So whenever an object is created, in memory space will be allocated for its data fields, which is known as state of the object, and methods that shows the behavior of the object. So in memory where it is created, that address will be stored in this variable. Hence, this is called as reference variable. It refers means it stores the address of current object. Okay, that is its meaning. It can be used to invoke constructors, access instance member variables, member methods of the current object. Using this reference, one can improve code readability and reduce naming conflicts. Okay, so these naming conflicts will come to know when we discuss an example program. Okay, what is this? This is a variable which stores address of a current object. Hence, this is called as reference variable that refers to current object. Okay, so here is a Java program which will not work because here this is not used. This reference variable is not used. So in which kind of situation this reference variable is required, we can understand from this program. Okay, so the name of program is test this one. This is the main function. So till here we have class, and in main function here S1 object is created using new operator. So object of student class is created. So while creating, these parameters are passed. Hence parameterized constructor, that this one is invoked. Then what happens? These values will be copied into these values. These are called formal parameters. These are called instance variables. So when we pass the values to formal parameters of constructor, so in the constructor, what is there? Roll number equal to roll number, name equal to name, fee equal to fee. This is a naming conflict it is. So here these three belong to these data fields in the object. Which object? S1 which is created. Okay, and these formal parameters are coming which are passed from the main program. But both the names are same here. So then the program will fail to run. Naming conflict is there. When formal parameters and instance variables have same name, then name conflict will be there. Whatever parameters we pass, they cannot be assigned to data fields. Okay, hence the program will not work. So this program can be made to work by using this reference here, right? So we can visualize here what is happening in that program. So when S1 object is created by this instruction in the main program, so this is the memory space allocated for S1 object. It will similar to its class. So there are three data fields. So this is roll number field, this is name field, this is fee field. And it has one parameterized constructor and it has one display function. So when we create using new operator here. So for S1 object, space is allocated and these parameters are passed here. So in the code of its constructor, roll number equal to roll number, name equal to name, fee equal to fee, then it will be a big question, naming conflict, whether formal parameters it refers to or it refers to data fields or instance variables. Hence the program will not work. The same case with S2 object also. Okay. So next we shall see when we use this reference how the problem is resolved. Now here same instruction is used to create S1 object, but the difference in the code of constructor, instead of just writing roll number, name, fee, this is written. This refers to these fields. Okay. So this roll number is made roll number, that is coming here, that is passed from main program. Okay. This name means this one. So that equal to name means which is coming from main program. So similarly the third data field, this fee means this one. So now the instruction is very clear here. This means this current object data field. These means formal parameters which are coming from main program. Hence this program will get executed without any error and we get the output. Here actually there was no output when this was not used and naming conflict was there. That is resolved in this. Okay. So this code is changed with this reference variable. Okay. Hence we get the output. So this is the program which didn't work because naming conflict was there here. Formal parameters and instance variables had same name. Okay. And the output was 0 or null with values. Roll numbers were 0, fee were 0 and name was null. This is the result program where this reference variable is used. Then it is to be used when formal arguments or parameters and instance variables names are same. So this refers to that current object data fields. So to that whatever values are passed, they will be assigned. Hence we get the output here. So this is the resolved program. So that program, resolved program is implemented in NetBeans IDE. The project name BCS406, in that package name BCS406, in that the name of program, right? Test this. And this is what is its output. Okay. See, if we extend the discussion, in which situation this reference variable is not required, if formal arguments or parameters and instance variables are different, means they have different names, then there is no need of this reference variable or this keyword. Okay. So for that let us see an example program. So in this program, when an object is created in the main program, so with the new operator and at the time of creation parameters are passed, then parameterized constructor is invoked. If we observe here, the names of formal parameters, here R is used. It is not same as instance variable roll number. Here N is used, which is not same as name instance variable. Here F is used. It is not same as fee instance variable. So now in the code, roll number equal to R means this is roll number field, that current object data field. For that this R is assigned. So what is R here? This roll number will be copied into R variable and it is understood that R is formal parameter that gets assigned to roll number, means here in S1 object in roll number data field 1 is assigned. Similarly, in a name field Abhishek will be assigned. In third field fee field 500 will be assigned, and it follows same procedure for S2 object. Another memory space is allocated. In that 3 data fields will be there. Next, it follows the same procedure for S2 object. So 2 is copied in R, the Sumit is copied in N, the 600 is copied in F. So they are copied in these formal parameters. So when it goes to control goes to the code of this parameterized constructor, which gets automatically executed when object is created. According to that code, roll number equal to R. So there is no naming conflict. Then it means S2 object, what memory space is allocated in that roll number field. For that R is assigned. What is R? 2 was coming here and that is assigned to roll number field. Similarly, name will be Sumit and similarly fee will be 600. So because formal parameters and instance variables have different names, there is no naming conflict. In such case, this keyword is not required. Okay. If formal parameter names and instance variable names are same, only then this reference variable is required. Okay. So what is happening in a resolve program? The formal parameters names and instance variables names are different. So in the main program, what statement is written? To create S1 object using new operator belonging to the class student, that is same. 3 parameters are passed here. Then parameterized constructor in S1 object, it is invoked. So the old constructor is replaced with new one here. So here in formal parameters, names taken are different. These are the variables. How many fields are there? 3. So one data field for roll number, another for name, another for fee. So these instance variables, those fields. So now when we pass the parameters here, R is copied with 1, then N is copied with name Abhishek, F is copied with fee value 500. The code of constructor is executed. Roll number equal to R means, so in R we have 1, roll number equal to 1 means it goes to this data field, 1 is copied here. Similarly, Abhishek name in N, so that to name data field, hence here that Abhishek is copied. Similarly, 500 which was there in F, so that is assigned to fee, means here in fee data field 500 we will get. So this is how without this keyword this program gets executed, because formal parameter names and data field names or instance variables names in object, they are different. Hence in executing this code of constructor there will not be any conflict. The program gets successfully gets executed. It follows for S2 object also. Okay. So this is the instruction in main function. S1 object is created using new operator. It belongs to class student. 3 parameters are passed here. Then parameterized constructor is invoked and these will be copied in the formal parameters. R is having 1, this N is having Abhishek, then 500 is copied in F. Then this code is executed, roll number equal to R. So R is 1, that gets copied into roll number. So what is roll number here? It is a data field in the object. So another data field name fee, that is another data field. So when this is executed, this one is copied into roll number data field. Then Abhishek, which was copied in n, so when name equal to n is executed, that n gets to name data field. So it will be assigned to name data field. So Abhishek is stored here. Here 1 was stored. Then 500 will be copied into formal parameter f. When phi equal to f instruction is executed, so this 500 gets assigned to phi, because phi equal to f value is 500, hence phi data field also will have 500. And that is how these three parameters, they are copied to formal parameters, and because of this code they will be assigned to roll number, name and phi fields, hence these will be copied into finally data fields of the S1 object. Okay, so the same explanation follows for S2 object also. Because formal parameter names and instance variables names are different, without this keyword this program runs and we get the output. Okay, this is the program with different named formal parameters and instance variables, and this is its output. And here without the use of this reference keyword, the program is written and it successfully runs and it gives the output. Okay, name of program being test underscore this underscore not underscore required. So here these are the formal parameters, these are the instance variables. So from here to here we have class design. So in that parameterized constructor, these formal parameters and these data variables have different names. Hence this reference variable is not required. So with that program we are getting the output here. Okay. So that completes the whole discussion on this reference variable in Java with example programs. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you.